Got ourselves a stinky pinky hunter here. Big block Chevrolet. No Hemis here, Mr. Pink.
Pressure on the gauge now. Put 65 there.
Hey! Doing the flamingo. Woohoo! Beautiful. What's that? Is that the EJ, mate?
He's the EJ, mate. Bit of American outlaw stuff here.
So that's how the Torana started, just by having a photo of the Torana on the start line, the nitrous motor, and then cutting Chris's blower off, the VL, and sitting it on the Torana. It's all happening. Out the old, in with the new.
What do I run on the other one?
28s, bro. Just rolling through the lash. Just got to kick in the balls, waiting on one push rod. That's why he's off. Just going through, double checking everything.
It's been raining out here, it's not a good time to...
All hands on deck here today. What's the supervisor doing? What are you doing, buddy? There you go. What are you doing? What are you doing, Mr. Supervisor? We doing a good job or not? You say hurry up. What's happening over here? Rattle can job. Just tidying the front end up. About to give her a lick. Not licking the windows, lick of paint. Well, we're well into it. Kevy's been full steam on the anti-roll bar. About to test fit the wheelie bars. The diff's looking beautiful. From Scott from Gazzard Brothers. They come up a treat. Just got the intake gaskets drying. I don't normally run intake gaskets, I normally run O-rings, but yeah. Haven't done the O-ring setup on it, so luckily the manifold just sits beautiful and lines up, so she's just setting before we seal the front up and seal the manifold up properly and drop her down and bolt her up. All the rocker gear's on and she's going through the motion beautiful. So yeah. Got some pipes, starting to test fit our pipes and everything. Just waiting on that one push rod to turn up. And yeah, shed's a mess. But anyway, we'll get in and get it cleaned up, and I'm gonna put the motor in tonight, hopefully, or tomorrow. And yeah, hopefully by the end of this weekend, most of it's in. Start the wiring and whatnot, and then next weekend, hopefully it's running. Well, we're a few weeks out, still getting the Torana ready. We're getting the transporter ready now. Everything else, there's always a lot to do. We got Daniel's son here.
Yep.
Just tidying the trailer, the transporter up, getting ready. Haven't used it in about 4 years. So we're just going through and tidying up and getting all our spare parts. Getting everything tidied up. We're making good progress on the Torana. I'll bring that as well. It's looking good. Hopefully testing in a couple of weeks. I think it's 40 days out, so just over a month, and we're looking at testing. Hopefully should have the motor running maybe next weekend, and then testing in another week or two. So yeah, it's all happening. The supervisor said he was hungry. Hey buddy. Bit of live action here. Mad's singing us a bit of karaoke.
Pity this wasn't a cat.
We're going in with the old girl. Hopefully she fits. Gave her a bit of a tidy up, bit of a rattle can project. Beautiful. Sunday update. Slowly getting there. The boys are on the rear end at the moment. Bad Santa. Just filming you, mate. Just catching Bad Santa. She's looking good. What do you reckon, Kevin?
I've got my gay pride shirt on, my turbo shirt.
Just gearing up. The race Stinky Pinky. No Prep Kings. Look at the crew here. Matt's got his iAd. Nice footy shorts, bro.
Thank you.
We're all watching Kev work here. Hang on. Theo's just getting ready. He's got his appetite ready. What are you eating, bud?
Beef and veg.
Yeah. He said that's better food than what them Americans eat. Homegrown Aussie. Look at the head on this thing.
You want some nuts, mate?
Suspension setup. Beautiful. Whoa, well, we've been flat out. I said I'd get an update every week, but yeah, I'll throw a lot of footage in there, but yeah, last 2 weeks, 14 days, we've been flat out hectic. So this is the end result. We're nearly there. We're getting close, just buttoning a few things up at the moment. So really excited. Everything's going together nicely. Engine went together nice, in the car nice, got the rear end set up, beautiful. Had a heap of help on the weekend. I had Matt out here, and then I had Sunday we had Kevy, Daryl and Chucky, and yeah, Dad's been going full Bicky and Britt, and everyone's been helping. Mum's been organising my suit and everything to put this together in, 4 weeks basically to get it all together. So working as a team. Yeah, we're flat out. Yeah, just stoked. I'll show you a bit of close up here. About to put the fuel system. I'm just putting all the hat nozzles, port nozzles in at the moment. I got Bronzy here. He's just Doing a bit of wiring, tidying up my wiring here on the MSD 44. Got to put a bar around this fuel tank yet. Got the big 44 on there. Got the coil. Got the points box. Converters all bolted up. The diff come up nice. Thanks to Scotty at Gazard, we got it all sorted. We're just doing the wheelie bars at the moment, just modifying them, and yeah, we'll have them done. What's today? Tuesday. Rain last night, had 70 mil of rain, so not working today, so I thought we'd take the opportunity to jump in. And yeah, we'll probably fire it up. This will be the end of this video, and then I'll bring another one when we fire it up, hopefully Wednesday, Thursday, probably Thursday or Friday night, and then yeah, testing soon, so next couple of weeks, so it's all happening. Got the shop supervisor here, Theo. He's been keeping us sorted and whatnot. Yeah. Righto guys, well that's the end of this video. Yeah, I'll just throw in a few snippets. Not going to be the best video, I'll just throw it together. But yeah, she's together anyway, so I'd just like to thank everyone for liking, subscribing and commenting on that last video. That's my best video I ever got. I got 5,000 views, so that's bloody awesome. We're at 650 I think subs, so keep them subs going, hitting, liking, subscribing. I am going to have some merchandise drop very shortly, so I'll keep everyone in the loop with that. Just tidying up here. Nearly an auto store here, performance shop, getting all the candy and stabilizer, and we run Lucas Oil stabilizer. That's these ones in the engine, as well as high-tech oil 50 weight. We use the M2 VP additive, and yeah, just getting it all sorted. Got the drum of methanol over there, ready to roll. Nearly go time. Ready to fire the old girl up. It's Thursday night. We've decided got a private test day next Thursday, but we decided that we'd try and make a shakedown Saturday night. We're going to go down and get a tech anyway, so we'll see. If not, see once we get a fire, but we'll just see what happens. If everything goes sweet, we'll test Saturday night. If not, we'll definitely be going Thursday night. Beautiful.